Well, I just have to do this. You guys know me. I spent a day and a half off and on playing with track plans and running track around and whatnot. And this is this is as far as I got. And in a few minutes I'm going to start doing the elevated portion of this layout. And I'm going to make it out of foam board, old foam board. A lot of cutting to do. So now it's time to get moving on. This is probably the second or third day here. I'm going to go 3 inches high back there. But isn't this stuff lovely? Nothing makes sense. But that's the love of this game. Well, here's another clip of the great adventure. And this is just a little track thrown down just to see what I can come up with. As far as a plan, this is tough. This is really tough. I've done this now about 10 or 15 times and haven't figured out what the hell I want to get. Well, this part up here, this logging branch, that will be a fixed deal. Going to be under the bridge there, there'll be some water naturally. You know, Johnny's got to have some water. Industrial area, siding. And here's a real slop. Don't you just love it? I know I do, but I'm a masochist. And the older I get, the more masochistic I get. That's enough of my bullshit for one day.